anche a me.
10 video, attaccate il video. Tosse?
5,
Tosse annesta.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Bravo!
This afternoon, look at the speed of him, Rob. He doesn't pull up on that corner. I'm going to get too excited. Come on, Danny Hart.
Second in time training, some 5 seconds back. Look, he's done it
through that section.
He's got off it. He's the only guy we've seen go off that vertical long drop. I would not do that in the wet, and I had my money on Danny.
Yes! Danny Hart is 4.6 seconds off.
That is insane. Can he hold it together? He's young, but he has an experienced head on his shoulders, and no matter how loose he gets, he never seems to go down, Nigel.
Dude, this is the most talented rider on the mountain here today. He's going to go for it this afternoon. Let's see what he does on this bottom half of the track. But Danny Hart is on the run of his lifetime. Look at the speed he's going, Rob.
He's been getting better and better all season, and Hart can't.
Oh, God! Danny, stay on your bike!
Dude, he cut that turn there. He's still finding time to make friends and create lines. Danny Hart is on fire here this afternoon. Is this the World Championship run we're seeing right now? We're coming up towards split 2.
He's on the pedals, Rob. He does another pull, and he's on the pedals, and he's into this final section. Come on, Danny Hart, you can hold on to it.
Do you know what? I just want to sit back and watch. This is just unbelievable riding from the youngster from the UK riding the Team Giant.
He's led! 9 seconds off, Rob! Danny Hart is on the run of his life here!
10 seconds up!
He's dead! He's dead! He's going to be having an heart attack!
This is insane! Danny Hart is 10 seconds up! And look how composed he is! He is just riding within himself! Feet up!
Look at the skills he's got, Rob! His feet up near! He's pedaling! He does another pull-up! Danny Hart is something else!
He's gonna smash it!
Your bike, Danny!
He's gonna smash it! He loves this jump! He's even gonna fall!
Oh my God! Look at Danny Hart! He is an absolute legend!
He's gonna smash that time! Zach by Spandona! Here he comes!
Come on, Danny! Oh my God! 11.6 seconds! What the hell?
Look at the time, man! Danny Hart, mate! Well, I think he's going to be world champion. God, he's world champion.
Questo
Bene, siamo qui a 4.000, no,
6.200 metri.
Guarda, arrivare lì nel paese, vicino a quella montagna lì vulcano. Dobbiamo arrivare lì circa, sono quasi 7 metri di livello, perché lì siamo a meno 200 metri sul livello del mare, quindi è un livello di circa
Una busta di 2 vini, i vini offerti da Colline del Vento. Bravissimi, gli under 22 tutti da Sassari. Quindi abbiamo Sassari, Siena e Cagliari. I premi sono offerti disco e vino e vini per il primo embriagone, il secondo embriagone 2 vini, vino di Boassa e il terzo ancora vino. Carbonia, Olbia e Alghero. Primo una gomma offerta da Backflip Mountain Bike Shop.